Hello, everybody. This is Ryan, and I hope you're having a good day. Welcome to week 7. We are quickly wrapping this class up. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I've learned a lot from you, and I appreciate the amount of work and the time you've spent. As we move into week 8, we need to make sure we understand a couple things. First off, there's a final problem set that's due. That's in addition to your discussion board and your weekly problem set. So make sure you allow time to get that final set done. And make sure as you're doing your problems that you're showing your work and justifying your answers. Another big thing I want you to understand about week 8 is that the assignments are not due on Sunday. They're due on Saturday. So make sure you get everything done by Saturday. That's when they're due. So as we move to week 7, there's a couple things we want to go over. This week, you'll be introduced to a procedure of analysis of variance called ANOVA. An ANOVA can compare more than two population means, an ANOVA table for one-way layout, a statistical model for one-way layout, estimation in the one-way layout, statistical model for the randomization block design, the ANOVA for a randomized block design, and an estimation of randomization block design. So those are the things that you're going to be working on this week. I hope you're enjoying it. It's a lot more practical, I think, now than what we did a couple weeks ago. I still struggled a lot with that section. But anyway, this stuff is more fun. I hope you enjoy it. If you have questions, please reach out to me, and I will help you. So again, it's a short video, but again, you're doing a great job, and I appreciate your hard work. Let me know how I can help you. Bye.